time someone says like thanks, I'm like, wait, what am I supposed to say again?
Good morning and welcome to the vlog. I'm in my PJs. Brian's in her PJs. She's on the laptop. It's kind of a chill day. I'm headed out. I'm having kind of like a girls day with my bestie Hope. You guys know Hope. She's awesome.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Hope!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hope. Yay, Hope. Blow it out. Make a wish. Woo!
And I'm excited. I think that'll be really fun. So I'm getting all my homework done. That way on Sunday, I'm not stressing out about it. Someday, we're gonna be someday. Someday, we're gonna be someday. This song is from the movie Zombies.
Lexi, what are we doing?
We are picking up these bags with food.
For the food drive.
Yes.
Okay, run up and get it and I'll explain what it is.
Okay.
So Lexi's going to grab a bag of food. The other day the Cub Scouts left out these flyers that said, if you want to donate food to the Utah Food Bank, leave a bag of food on your porch on Saturday morning. And so it's Saturday morning and Lexi and I are going around picking up these bags of food for anyone who wanted to donate food to the Utah Food Bank. Good job, Lexi. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
You're so awesome.
Every time someone says like thanks, I'm like, wait, what am I supposed to say again? Because I don't like remember.
Oh, I know.
I'm like, wait, what?
Oh, there's a bag for me.
He's going to get a bag. My hand keeps like...
I got it.
It's like going... It's like, I don't know, doing...
Pretty good response here.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's any houses back here.
It's kind of like Easter in a way.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know why.
St. Patrick's Day. Lexi, how does it feel doing service like this?
It's fun.
You like it? I told Lexi I'd make it worth her while if she came to help me. Okay, anything on that?
No.
So you guys know we recently had baby bunnies, and then all of a sudden we see a little baby bunny. I'm a grandma. Super exciting. We found out that they died a little bit ago. London and her friend are digging a hole for the burial.
Messages. See, there's one from Waverly.
Oh, cool. So it is working. What are you guys doing? You guys are awesome. Good job.
Okay, they have recruited Brighton and Lexi for their funeral. And it looks like things are going okay. From what I can tell, they're just doing like, they're just digging small holes everywhere, and it doesn't look like they're making much progress on any of the holes. And you can't tell from this, but it's pretty freezing cold out there. Brighton?
After this, are we going to go to Sub-Zero?
So Brighton wants to know if after Cafe Rio, are we also going to go to Sub-Zero? Taylor, what's your vote?
Yes.
Michelle? London? Thumbs up? Let's see. I vote no, so yeah, no, we're not gonna go. Oh, that guy's looking at us. I do. Okay, Taylor, what'd you get?
I got mint.
Cool. London, tell me everything.
Pina colada mixed with Twix.
Yums. Bryn?
Cotton candy with gummy bears.
What? Lexi?
Cotton candy with gummy bears again.
Okay, everyone cheers in the middle. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, cool.
Cheers.
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 Hi guys, just had a blast.
Yeah, we just had
the
bus. Lexi has a headache, so now we're just going to my house.
Yeah.
What did you guys do tonight?
So we
did a spot.
we did a spot and then we made up dances and that's pretty much it.
With this stuff.
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. Have a good evening, guys.
Thanks, you too.
Thanks for coming over. Yeah, for sure. Okay, bye, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Woohoo! Yeah. Whoa.
We're hanging out to the Shumway. I'm Brighton. I'm Skyly. I'm hanging out with London.
What are you guys doing?
Playing taffy.
You are?
So, I'm London's dog. And we like go to the movies. And
Cool. Do you guys want to show me how it works? Okay, ready, Taffy in London? Oh, hi. Wow.
Wow. That's crazy.
Guys, look what's happening. It's crazy. It's snowing in mid-March. Ah! Whoa, this is crazy. Do you have shoes? Where's your shoes? Oh my gosh, it's freezing.
But it's actually warm snow. So
Taylor,
Kyle,
film Mom and me dancing in the snow.
oh, this is so romantic. Oh my gosh.
Don't slip.
No, this really is crazy, you guys, because it's like March has been so warm and nice, and then boom, snowballs coming at me. Oh no, watch out! Ah!
Ah, it's freezing.
Take cover.
I gotta go.
I'm going in.
Ouch. Oh.